Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, basically, I'm doing a video in the car. This is a continuation video from the Rite Aid clearance. I was so excited when I got those Clorox wipes for clearance yesterday. I was like, you know what? Let me go in here and see what else they have and see what I can coupon with, get some Ibotta rebates. Let me show them what else they can get. And guys, these were my finds. So let me show you exactly what I did. First, I'm going to start with the Aspercreme and the Icy Hot. So the Aspercreme and the Icy Hot is not on clearance. It's part of a monthly deal. And if you spend $30, you get $10 back. You guys have probably seen this deal on other people's videos, but I did use some paper coupons. So I'm going to get into that deal first. But before I do, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscription button. Hit the bell next to it. That way you don't miss out on any deals. And that way you'll get notified every time I put up a new video. And that way when I have like clearance finds and things like this, unexpected sales, and I put up the videos, you'll get a notice. And that way you could take advantage and you won't miss out. Because here at Nicole is making it happen. We always want to share all of our deals. We want to make sure that everyone's able to stretch their dollar just a little bit longer and really be able to fit these deals and sales and things into their budget. So guys, get your inserts out because there's going to be a couple insert coupons that we're going to need, and you might want to take some notes and you might want to take some screenshots so that you can get the right UPCs. All right, guys, let's get ready to save. Okay, guys, before you go into Rite Aid to shop, I strongly suggest that you take all of your coupons with you, and I strongly suggest that you scan each and every item that you plan on getting into the Ibotta app, because there are new rebates popping up all of a sudden. Like while I was actually shopping in the store is when the Playtex rebate popped up in my app. So if I wouldn't have scanned that item, I wouldn't be able to take advantage of that rebate. So there's tons of makeup there that's on clearance, tons of baby items, lots of household things. So I just want to make sure that you guys are able to maximize your savings. And the only way you're going to be able to do that is by using your coupons and your rebate apps. Also, there are Kotex special scans from Fetch. So make sure that you are submitting your receipt to Fetch also. I did get what it was like I think a nickel back or something like that for Fetch, because I only had like one Kotex product. But you never know what other products you can get by scanning through Fetch and Ibotta. So just wanted to give you guys that quick reminder so that you don't miss out on any savings. So let's go ahead and let's start shopping and go over this receipt and show you guys exactly what I got. Okay, so like I said, the first deal that I'm going to get into is the Icy Hot and the Aspercreme deal. So this is what it is. You spend $30 and you get $10 back. So guys, this was on sale for $9.90. This was regularly $9.99, and so was this. So they were both each $9.99. But with the gold price, that would bring those down to $7.99 each. And then I did have a buy one, get one free coupon. I don't have any more with me to show you what they look like. So that meant I got one of these free and one of these free. So the only thing I paid for was two of them. And then I got back a $10 extra buck for that. So basically, I paid, what, $16 and got a $10 extra buck back for that. So it was really like $6. I mean, not an extra buck. Sorry, guys. I'm so used to shopping CVS. I got $10 back in bonus cash. So that was like me paying, what, like $6 for 4 things of Icy Hot. And I don't know if you guys have ever tried these, but I know for sure that the aspirin works excellent. I've been keeping you guys up to date, you know, telling you about me getting a knee replacement, how much pain I'm in and things. And I use the aspirin on my knees and it really helps. I haven't tried the Icy Hot yet. So if any of you guys have tried it, let me know how it works or if it does you guys any good. But I know the aspirin definitely numbs that pain and helps me get through the day. So I will not be putting those in any baskets or flipping them or anything. I'll be keeping those for myself. So let's get into our clearance finds. So the first clearance find that I want to go over are the Quattro for Women Ultra Smooth, I guess that's in French, razor refills. So these are marked down to $3.99. Here is the UPC. So make sure you guys get that so that you have the right one. Now guys, these were absolutely free because I use this coupon that came out in the 6/6 Smart Source, $4 off. So you see they were $3.99, so these were absolutely free. But what makes this deal even better is that it is tracking towards the weekly deal that they have this week, to buy $20 in Chic Bulldog and get $5 back in bonus cash. And you can see it on my receipt that is tracking. Okay, so I did get 2 of these and I used 2 coupons, so those were absolutely free for me. The next item that I got were the Tampax Pearl tampons. It is the 36 count. It's the Super Plus, and let me get you the UPC for that. I know this sun in the shade is probably not helping, but I'm hoping you guys are able to get it. So these were $2.32. I don't have a coupon for those, but I got those 2. And then there's another Tampax Pearl that is the Super Plus, and it is the 36 count. Those are $2.32 also. And let me give you the UPC for that one. Okay, so the 3 Tampax are $2.32. Now, here's a really special deal, guys. The Playtex Sport 18 count Super Plus. Okay, get a good look at them. The box says $2.99, but that's wrong because all clearance is 75% off. So these were regularly $5.99, and I actually paid $1.49 for them. See on my receipt there, $1.49. Now, I'll tell you why this deal is extra special. Because just today, a rebate popped up in Ibotta for $3. This rebate did apply, so I got this, and this was actually a $1.51 money maker. So that helped pay for everything else, okay? Now, my last item that I got were this huge box of U by Kotex security tampons. Now those it's the 45 multi-pack, okay? And you get 10 regular, 15 super, and 20 super plus. Here is the UPC. And these were $2.62, but I used the $1 off coupon in your 6/6 Smart Source, so I only paid $1.62 for these. So all together, guys, I'm going to show you my receipt here. So let's go over the receipt. So here you see the Tampax Pearl, $2.32. Another one, $2.32. The third one, $2.32. The Kotex, $2.32. And you see the $1 coupon came off. Ignore the Cottrell. I had that deleted off. It actually came down to like $6 and some, but I didn't want it because I didn't have a coupon for it. But there is a $3 Ibotta rebate for it, so it really would have only been like $3 and some change. But I was being cheap and I didn't want to spend that much money. So there's the Playtex Sport tampons for $1.49. The Aspirin You see they were each $9.99, but with the gold discount of 20%, they came down to $7.99. The same with the Icy Hot. The Icy Hot was $8.99. 20% off of that is $7.19. And when you add those all up, that does meet the $30 threshold. And then there are the razor refills. You see they were $3.99, and the $4 manufacturer coupon came off of those, so those were absolutely free. And you see my total was $25.23, but then I did get back $3 from Ibotta, and I got back a $10 reward, a $10 bonus cash for the Icy Hot and Asper Cream. So really, guys, between the $10 and extra bucks, there I go at CVS again. Nicole, you are at Rite Aid. Get it through your head. So with the $10 and bonus cash I got and the $3 back from Ibotta, this haul was only $12.23. Excellent, excellent haul. So guys, go to Rite Aid. Make sure that you get your clearance items and make sure that you match your coupons up so that you can maximize your savings. So guys, until the next time, keep on saving.